A world that loses its power will fade into nothing. If such is the fate of this world, then I shall return it to its mother's womb. The world must first die for it to be born again. This is the path to salvation, as foretold in an ancient prophecy. The world will fall for its sins, and everyone living will vanish. But I won't let you meet the same fate. I want to help you hold on to your life. To do so, I need to know your name. Will you tell me who you are? That's as of belief. I'm glad you understand this. I am the nurturer of the attempt now. That's right. No, instead. Now go ahead.
Yogi Cohen. Please do not rush onto the train. The door is now closing.
Great. The entire park's closed off. They can't even let a guy in to snap a few photos? Guess it's not my lucky day. You need something, kid? Well, panic pretty disturbed. It was a deep... I think that's your...
Hey, are you there? Finally I get a hold of you. What's taking you so long? I could see if it was our other friend, but you're never late. You wake up on the wrong side of the bed? Where are you now? Well, since you decided not to show, we had to leave without you. We're almost there now. So yeah, would you mind coming straight to the hospital? You do know which hospital it is, right? Shinjuku Medical Center. Just go east from Shinjuku Station. I guess this works. I was planning to... Thanks. Keep in mind, I don't plan on staying too long. Okay, see you later.
Hold up. You're on your way to Shinjuku Medical Center? That's also where I'm headed, oddly enough. Why don't you hang on to this? It's a copy of our, I'm assuming, then the name's... Normally, that... Or so they say. There's a lot of... Anyway. Oh yeah.
Well, hey, about time. There is, look, don't you think? Anyway, and... Oh. Some stranger? Come on. Ayakashi Monthly. What? Well... Anyway, can you go... If he can't find our... You should be on the second floor. I'll be waiting. Don't leave.